If you're looking to filter leads in Folk CRM, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process so you can start organizing and segmenting your contacts more effectively. Folk CRM is a great tool for anyone who wants to streamline their lead management process and ensure they're working with the right prospects. Stick with me, because I'll also share some tips on how to make the most out of the features in Folk CRM to maximize your productivity. First, let's start with why filtering leads in Folk CRM is so important. Folk CRM helps you keep your contacts organized by allowing you to segment them into different lists. This is key for running targeted campaigns, setting reminders for follow-ups, and understanding where each lead stands in your sales process. Without filtering, your CRM can quickly turn into a messy database, and that's a situation we want to avoid. To filter leads in Folk CRM, start by accessing the Leads tab on your dashboard. Here, you'll see all your contacts. To narrow down the list, use the filters at the top. These filters let you specify the criteria you want to focus on, such as lead source, stage, or even custom tags that you've assigned. It's important to set up these filters based on your business needs, so you can quickly identify high-priority leads. For instance, if you want to focus on leads from a specific campaign or event, you can create a tag for that and filter leads based on it. Next, you'll want to use the Stages filter. Folk CRM lets you assign different stages to your leads, like new, contacted, or qualified. This makes it easy to filter out leads who aren't ready for follow-up and focus only on those who are further along in the process. If you're managing a large volume of leads, this can save you a lot of time and keep you focused on the right contacts. Another powerful feature Folk CRM offers is custom filters. You can create your own filters based on any criteria you choose. For example, if you want to focus on leads who are located in a specific region or have a certain budget range, you can create custom fields and use those to filter your leads. This makes Folk CRM highly customizable and adaptable to your unique needs. Once you've set your filters, you can save them for future use. This means you don't have to keep applying the same filters over and over again. It's a huge time saver and lets you work more efficiently. Plus, you can always edit your filters or create new ones as your business needs change. If you want to get even more granular with your lead management, Folk CRM also allows you to filter leads by specific activity, such as whether a lead has opened an email or clicked on a link. This helps you prioritize leads based on their engagement level, so you can follow up with the most interested prospects first. Now that you know the basics of filtering leads in Folk CRM, it's worth mentioning that this software is completely free to use for basic features. And if you sign up using the first link below, you'll get access to an exclusive bonus, an extended free trial to some of the premium features, allowing you to test out all the advanced capabilities of Folk CRM for longer. Remember, the key to using Folk CRM effectively is setting up your filters correctly and making sure your leads are segmented in a way that makes sense for your business. When you apply the right filters, you'll be able to identify which leads are worth pursuing, which will save you time and help you close deals faster. So if you're new to Folk CRM or just want to learn more, make sure you hit that first link below to access your extended free trial. You can start using the software today, filter your leads, and see how much easier it makes managing your contacts and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your CRM tools.